Hey guys, so I finally got a new tripod. It's from Syvo, and I have heard so many good things about it. Super excited to check it out with you guys today. Okay, so this is how it came. Pretty compact and neat. Let's open it up. Honestly, I already like how lightweight the box is. That's a good sign for travel friendly gear. Let's open this up. Okay, wow. There is a bag inside for securing the tripod. I love how everything is packed nicely. So, we have got the tripod itself and a mobile holder. Super simple. Oops, the holder fell down. Never mind. Okay, first impression, this actually feels really nice as it's super lightweight but doesn't feel cheap. The finish is clean, the joints move smoothly. I am loving it already. Setting it up, I think is actually super easy. This is the mobile holder that is provided in the box, in which we can attach our phone and we can directly place it to the tripod. It's super easy and looks cute. And coming to the tripod, this is how it opens up. Just look the finishing, it's superb. And yeah, we can access the tripod in this way as I'm showing in the video. And there are some locks which we need to open up somewhat so that we can place the phone perfectly in the angle in which we need, so that it would be super easy for us. What I love most in this is it's how lightweight and portable it is. I can literally throw this in my backpack and carry it anywhere. Perfect for vlogging, I can say, reels or travel shoots. So yeah, I am super impressed with the Syvo tripod. It's affordable also. I just bought it for $7.99 in Amazon. It's super easy to use and honestly looks and feels way more premium than I expected from the price. Can't wait to use it in my shoots. Just see the height that it extends. We can just open the locks and we can extend the height, and again we can lock it back. If you are looking for a solid budget tripod, definitely check this one out. It would be a great option, I could say. And if you have already used it, let me know your experience too. I will drop the link in the caption for anyone who is interested to buy. So yeah, this is the final look, and those are the locks that I am showing. You can lock it up there after opening, even while closing the tripod. The locks are available every side of the tripod. You can just lock it so that the tripod fixes properly. And this is the mobile holder. In this way you need to attach it to the tripod. You just need to twist it, twist and turn process. And yeah, this is the final look of my new Syvo tripod. Hope you guys liked it. And if you guys are using any other tripod and you feel that's perfect for you guys, then please do share it with me in comment section. Thank you guys. Bye bye. That's all for today.